Mrs. Johnson, hi, pleasure to meet you. Sorry we have to meet on an elevator like this. I know it's not the best circumstances, but my name is Felipe Barrera, and I'm very interested in working for you and your company. Heard great things, it's a great company. I see it all over the internet, all over the TV. Just something that I would love to be a part of. I just graduated from the University of Texas. I'm a former athlete, played baseball there, so I'm all about working as a team and getting jobs done together. I'm a hard worker. I just like getting jobs done in general. Anything that comes in front of me, I don't like putting them aside. I like getting them done right then and there. I hope we can get in contact again. Hopefully, I'm better in a better place. And here's my card. I have a card. My name's on there. My phone number's on there. My email's on there. Hope that we can get in touch again, and hope you have a great day. Hope to talk to you soon.